On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2012 Sandpiper 346RET. With a 38-foot length, there's plenty of room for all your guests. In the spacious rear living room, the two recliners are great for relaxing and enjoying the fireplace and large TV. This floor plan delivers the true comforts of home. The kitchen is fully equipped and filled with ample storage. When not in use, the extra countertop space can be folded out of the way. There are 3 slide-outs that really increase the space. The bathroom, with shower, features a mirrored vanity, countertop sink and plenty of room. The 346RET is the ultimate couple's floor plan. The bedroom features a large center wardrobe and a chest of drawers for ample storage. This floor plan is just another example of luxurious living, offered by Sandpiper. Come see this, and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RVDepot.